Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. The board of Twitter has agreed to a $44 billion takeover offer from the billionaire Elon Musk. This is a transaction that will shift control of the social media platform from platform populated by millions of users and global leaders to the world's richest person. Discussions over the deal, which last week appeared uncertain, picked up at the weekend after Musk wooed Twitter shareholders with financing details of his offer. Under pressure, Twitter started negotiating with Musk to buy the company at the proposed $54.20 per share price. The deal ends Twitter's run as a public company since its 2013 initial public offering. In a statement, Musk says free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square where matters vital to the future of humanity are debated. Twitter's shares were up about 6% following the news. Sagicor Investments Jamaica has entered into a definitive agreement to purchase the securities dealer business of Alliance Investment Management. Now, this means Sagicor Investments is set to acquire Alliance Investment Securities clientele. The purchase, which is subject to due diligence, is expected to be completed over the next 2 months. Sagicor Group President and CEO Christopher Zaka says the purchase will further expand the Sagicor Investments client base. Now, this news comes weeks after Sagicor finalized a deal to purchase a 100% stake in Alliance Financial Services. The U.S. currency is selling for an average $155.47. $122.67 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $200.57 for the pound, and $169.55 for the euro. The JC index declined by 2,187 points today, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. Among the advances were 1834 Investments, Radio Jamaica, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Cargo Handlers, while among the decliners were Blue Power Group, Guardian Holdings, JMMB Group 7.25%, Honeybun, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.